Sangrongsalo 21 Sector Assam Rifles ne Alpha Auditorium Civil Military Officer no to Khlaikha Kaisa Seminar. Ashali Pandao Narowai Okra Wngwi Manjakha Hasteni Hastepha Indrasena Reddy Nallu. Ashali Seminar Hasteni Hastepha Indrasena Reddy Nallu no Karibu Manjakha DCP Honorary Dankar BSF IGT Tripura Government Home Secretary Abhishek Singh no Khoboi te Kuban Athong Rok. Abani Aglono Assam Rifles ne Civil Military Officer no to Khlaikha Hasteni Hastepha.
Only results executed with a split-second precision, Indian Air Force crossed the line of control and systematically dismantled the multiple terrorist launch pads, inflicting heavy casualties while suffering zero losses of their own. Beyond the technical gains, Operation Sindoor shifted the strategic calculus, forcing enemy proxy networks to retreat further from the border and restoring deterrence through demonstrated will and lethal capability. Operation Sindoor stands as a powerful testament to why civil-military fusion is not merely administrative jargon, but a life-saving, mission-enabling reality.
Khorang Chini Khorang.